Everyone, let's glue book in my gratitude junk journal. I made this junk journal a couple of years ago. You can look at the flip through. I'll put it in the description up below, and up below in the cards and down below in the description. But I made this junk journal years ago. I keep looking at this because there's some things in here I would change and some that I wouldn't. But I keep looking at this because it's blank. It's so blank. It's dying to be tucked under there. But it's blank. I guess I was supposed to come back and I never came back. But like I said, there's a flip through on my channel. You know, I'll put it here. There's a lot of places to play in here. Little owl. Well, anyway, the thing that kind of, there's a lot of open spaces where I could journal my gratitude and things I'm grateful for in here. A lot of empty spaces. But anyway, I really like a lot of things that I did do in here. But the funny thing is, I put a notebook in here. So I said, why not use this as my gratitude journal? And I bound it the way I usually bind it, with the twine method. And so I'm going to remove this. I'm going to remove this. Okay, now that it's removed, I can now use this as my glue book. But I could have glued anywhere in here. I left that in there on purpose. But because there's a lot of places, make little index cards, a lot of little places I could journal my gratitude and things of that nature. Little tucks in here with cards. I just really like how this turned out. Even though there's a little bit I would change, a little bit of I wouldn't. 1970. I like using vintage things in my junk journal, ephemera in my junk journal. Oh, did I say this was made out of a hymnal? I said that. Oh boy. So anyway, like I said, there's a real thorough flip through on my on the channel. I always had to have a bookmark. There's my backgrounds and books. Anyway, so I'm going to put this aside for a minute. I'm going to go in here. I'm going to get the cover together. And I did pull some things to get the cover together. Yeah. Ooh. So, because I don't want just notes on here. So I think I'm going to distress the front. Maybe some vintage photos, or would the walnut show up better? We shall see. We shall see. Yeah. I want it to be a little grungy. Yeah. So I figured I'm going to challenge myself, since we're in the season, gosh, can I say that? The season of gratitude. Oops, something fell. The season of thanks, gratitude, and giving. I said, well, let's, let me do, glue down my thanks. Okay, that's everything had to fall down. They said yes, everything does have to fall down. Matter of fact, yes. A little scrap from something. You know how I like to use my scraps from other projects? If you can't see that. Let's string this up. This twine is from the Dollar Tree. It's in the automotive section. I think it's in the automotive section. I really like it because it has it's curly. Has a natural curl to it. That may be too long. Yep, it's too long. Yeah, I got, but I'll leave it like that. Maybe come in. I'm only doing this because it's in a junk journal. Usually when I glue, I don't do this when I glue. It's this glue one's not to me. I don't usually do that when I glue. But since it's going to be in a junk journal, it's from probably one of my Thanksgiving projects. Looked a little blank over there. Oh, I was wondering why it was jagged. I was like, there's my scissors. Like, my goodness, it's jagged. I'm not wrapped too tight. Where'd it go? Oh no, this was off my Pets mini album. Oh, okay, let's start this. Let's go with that. Right. Guess my time passed with that. Now I'm looking at this like, eh. No, something, I don't like that so much. Okay. Nope. Let's see. I'm famous for lifting up yesterday. Okay, we'll start there. You never know if I may add something later. But I'm happy with that for right now. Okay, that's the front of my journal for now. Then we'll do a page. Talk to you next time.